Welcome to the New York Film Academy, where you will learn to tell stories from day one in the most intensive visual art school in the world. Whether you're interested in filmmaking, acting, writing, producing, photography, cinematography, broadcast journalism, 3D animation, game design, musical theater, dance, or documentary filmmaking, the New York Film Academy will provide the training you need. Study at our U.S. campuses in New York City or Los Angeles in the heart of Hollywood. You can also attend any of our other locations around the world. No matter where you study, all of our courses are taught by professional and award-winning artists who will guide you in your craft, both in and out of the classroom. The New York Film Academy is the world's most hands-on school for visual storytellers. Are you up for the challenge?